Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar again, and today we're going to be talking about I think just recently I did $700 profit on Pfizer call options. So we're going to quickly talk about that. So we got to stay pretty close to the house so I can keep internet connection and kind of doing this outside because weather is nice. Enjoy it while I can. So let's look here. Let's see, $192 into Pfizer, $900 came out, so yeah, that's basically $700. So it's about 818. No, 707. I can't do math. 900 minus 192, 708. Okay, so $700 profit on that. So let's see what I did. So Pfizer, and this was last week. So if we go, I purchased them on the 14th, and Pfizer's price on the 14th was about $40, and these were 40.5. So $40.50 call options that we're going to hit. So 15 on the 14th, it was $39.35. And then going into the week, the reason I anticipated to buy these options over everything else at the moment was because Delta variant still is spreading. Wanted to kind of believe in a company that was going to do something better for the world, and as far as companies buying vaccines and people dumping money into vaccines, Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, those are going to be the biggest ones. So Pfizer, the only reason I chose Pfizer over Johnson & Johnson at the current time, Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson just had the recall for the sunscreen, and then there was another genetic mutation that was going on with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So I didn't want to go with that. Moderna options are pretty expensive because the stock is somewhere in the 200s. And then Pfizer was only $40. So I think I was able to get, let's see, gotta start the recording again because I locked my phone. Let's see, I was able to get 12 contracts for $192. At a price of $16, $16 a contract. So 0.16, that was on the 14th. And then there was news that Pfizer was going to, can't exactly remember, let's see. She got to go back quite a bit. And it only shows the last 24 hours, but even in the last 21 hours, Pfizer and BioNTech to supply U.S. government with additional 200 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer, BioNTech to sell further 200 million COVID vaccines. Next target for mRNA vaccines. Pfizer unusual options. And then it says Pfizer is less effective against the Delta infections, but still prevents serious illness. But if we go back in the past week, 19th, and then the 20th, 19th, Pfizer's price went all the way down to basically $39.75. And then market open on the 20th, there was some major news that came out. At that time, I was at my cousin's summer cottage. So, I didn't have internet there, so I didn't have the chance to let me switch hands. Left arm's getting a little tired. So at the time, I was at my cousin's summer cottage. I didn't have the time to look at the account while I was there. But if we go down to the 20th, market opened 41.57 basically. And then it kind of spiked up to 41.71. And then I didn't want to take a chance as to lose the profits that I already had. I think at one point I was up over 1200, I think it was over 1200, but obviously because I wasn't near internet or anything, I couldn't sell, or I didn't even have a chance to look at my account. But then I went ahead and sold them at each contract at 0.75, so 75 bucks a contract, and then that was equivalent to the 900 total, which basically returned me the 708 for a total return. Now, even like I said, I could have held them. They would have expired. Today's Saturday. They would have expired yesterday. If I would have held them for a little bit longer, they would have expired at 40. Let's say I sold them at 41.70. They would have been more expensive than what I sold them at, so I could have had that $1,200 profit. But I went ahead and took my took the gains while I had them, and I didn't want to risk anything. So that was the little Pfizer options that I did this past week. Go on vacation, the work never stops. Always got to keep doing something. So been pumping out the videos, been trying to do options. Currently I have let me see real quick. I have Ford options going right now, but the amount of contracts, I went ahead and bought 10 contracts for 14.5, so 1450 call options expiring next Friday. Anticipating earnings, and for positive news right now, Rivian just got $2.5 billion from Amazon and Ford, and then another company to help fund their IPO. So should be some good news, and anticipating kind of earnings next week. I'm expecting them, they're gonna be kind of iffy because the whole chip shortage. Ford's been pumping out the EVs and all their other cars constantly, so I think it's gonna be kind of mixed, but I'm hoping for the best. I think Ford's price currently was like $13.90, so it's only 60 cents it's got to go up to basically hit that strike price, and then a little bit more for me to break even, and then anything above that is going to be gravy. So just hoping for the best. I'm a little bit down on that right now, but like I said, hoping for the best, and if we can come out positive on that one, similar to the $500 profit that I did a couple weeks ago, that would be pretty nice. So just wanted to quickly share the Pfizer options trade that I did last week and sold this week. And yeah, just options have been really fun. So really enjoying them, actually enjoying them more than normal trading. So that's pretty nice. So I think I found something in the market that suits me. I enjoy. It's a little stressful, but the return and the, I guess, the enjoyment out of it is the main thing. So just wanted to quickly talk to you guys about that. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you have any comments or thoughts about that stuff, put that in the comments. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Shows there's new people watching the videos. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed again, and it's been Oscar, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.